All right, now I'm going to show you how to journal a pre-quiz. In your learning log, you'll just write the day of the lesson. Then if you look over here, we have the name of our lesson, which is classifying and ordering real numbers. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to use the template that's provided for me on the back of this page. So again, I'm going to rewrite the name of the lesson, which was classify and ordering real numbers. I don't have a score yet, but I am going to draw a line here, write important skill, and then show work on this side. Okay, now I'm going to come over and start the pre-quiz. So the question says, from their location in the diagram, what are two possible values for n and m? So I've got rational and irrational. I'm going to test this one. I select check. And I got this one wrong, but that's okay. It's just a pre-quiz. I'm going to click next. Here it says, I'm just going to guess a random one to demonstrate how a pre-quiz looks. Here, let's see, the lowest temperature looked like it was Friday. All right, got one right. So an integer, right? I know rational and integer. Integer means whole number. I know 4 over 2 reduces. Here, I'm just going to guess. You should actually do the work. All right. I'll show you how to show work in your journal. So on this one, I need to figure out two and 1/8, 2 and 2/3, 2 and 1/5, 2 and 1/4. So all of these whole numbers are the same, so I'm just going to look at my fractions. I know 1/4 is 0.25. I know 1 over 5. I can use my calculator, or I can use my calculator here. 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. I can now do 2 divided by 3. 0.67, then 1 divided by 8. All right, so let's look back at this question, and we need to know which greatest to least. So this is my greatest. So it'll be number 1, then this one, then this one, then this one. So this is how I would journal showing work on this pre-quiz, and I will select 2/3 comes first, so it's one of these two, then 1/4. Here we go, right there. All right, so I did not pass this pre-quiz, so I'm going to write my score. If you notice on your template, it wants you to write the score at the top. I got 75 out of the 175. So that means I am going to have to do the lesson, and I will journal what that looks like, clicking next, and you will click next in your video.